Today we get to have fun with brains. The brain is a stealth organ. It's probably an insult to call it an organ at all. It's a grayish object that could be considered our command center. It runs the show. Your brain contains 86 billion nerve cells known as neurons, joined by 100 trillion connections. Although habitually smoking pot throughout high school shrinks that pool of working cells to about an even dozen. Compared to other animals, we're pretty high up on the neuron scale. Elephants have 23 billion neurons, or about a quarter of ours. Chimpanzees have 7 billion, and cats have an even billion, the majority of which are set on ignore. The most basic explanation of how the brain works is this. The lower layer, or the brainstem, controls all the automatic bodily functions like breathing and digestion. The middle layer above the lower layer goes by the technical term R-complex, and just like middle children, it's just sort of there, so we're going to ignore it. Finally, we get to the cerebral cortex, or the higher brain. This is where analytical thought and language occurs. So logically, when you have a difficult problem to solve, just stand on your head. Duh! Our brains are also divided into hemispheres. The left side of your brain controls the right side of your body and is mainly responsible for speech and language. So if you're flunking French, blame your left hemisphere. The right hemisphere controls the left part of your body and takes credit for all sensory information and creativity. So when you have to write a paper or a poem, make sure the right side of your brain gets plenty of sleep. How the brain sends out information is what's literally mind-blowing. It's done through electrical impulses. That's right, you are a walking, talking electrical machine. Some signals are so fast they travel through your body at 265 miles an hour, which I believe would qualify them for the pole position in the Indy 500. And while your brain is certainly busy taking care of your body, it is also at the very same time capable of thoughts, emotions, and actions simultaneously. Your brain is the ultimate multitasker. You don't hear it complain, "Please, I can't control your blood flow and help you do homework at the very same time." No, it can handle it. Go ahead, put your brain to work, but you might want to stand on your head first. Next week, you gotta have heart and lungs.